Hey guys, welcome to vlog 14. As you guys can see, I'm at my grandparents' house in Huang, and on this table we have some food that my grandpa bid from online, and also these dumplings that we made ourselves. So let me just quickly go through the food that we have to cook later. First off, we have some beef soup and some Japanese fried chicken that is also found in 7-Eleven. Boneless chicken feet and chicken legs, and also last but not least, beef cubes. So we will be cooking these after they're cooked and the taste test of them. Guys, so the beef is done and nobody eats beef without a bit of salt. So that's it, and let's do a taste test. It's really tender, pretty well seasoned. The beef taste is really strong, which I personally like. So that's it for the beef, and we will move on to the next dish. Guys, we have the dumpling beef soup, and let's do a taste test of the soup first. It's like classical beef noodle soup, but I think it's a bit salty, so maybe add some more water to it to get the salt level down. And the beef tastes like instant noodle beef. It's a bit salty. It tastes not that fresh, but overall, I think it's pretty good for the bargain that the money he bought it for. And of course, the homemade dumplings. Of course, everything homemade is great. There's a lot of filling, which is leek, as you guys can see here, leek and pork, and the skin is pretty thin, so which I like. There's a lot of fillings. It's great overall. I think the dumplings go well with the beef and the soup. So this is the beef dumpling soup, and moving on to the next dish. Guys, this is the fried chicken that is also found in 7-Eleven. So now let's do a taste test. As you guys can hear, there's the crunching, glorious crunching sound. It's really tender, which I like. But if you guys have any recommended ways you would like me to cook, or what you guys think of my ways of cooking, comment down below. Give me some constructive feedback, not just criticism, please. And this came from 4 bags. So that's it for the fried chicken. Remember to comment down below if you have any recommendations. And now moving to the next dish. Hey guys, as you guys can see, this is the boneless chicken leg. As we can see, it's perfectly, beautifully browned in my opinion. So now let's take a taste test out of it. That is really good. You can taste the flavors exploding in your mouth, and the meat is really tender. It just melts inside. So again, this is the boneless chicken leg, really beautifully browned, great flavors. And that was all of the food. So comment down below what you think my cooking methods are. Are they good? Are they bad? Are there any other cooking methods you want me to try out? And behind you guys, there is a refrigerator, and all of the food my grandpa bid online are inside. So come back tomorrow to see what's inside. I will go over each and one of them. So remember to comment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell in my channel. I will see you guys tomorrow.